Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make an echo sound effect in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can find all the instruments we can play. You can get started with the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add the echo sound effect to our tracks. The first thing we want to do guys is open up any of the instruments right here. It doesn't matter, I'm going to open up just audio recorder. It all works the same. It's going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen you will have the big red circle that can enable you to record, and now we can get started with adding the effects. So basically what we want to do is go right here in the upper left corner and click on the edit button. That's going to open up this mixing mode. So here we can find all the tracks that we have created. So as you can see here, I have my drums, I have the keyboard, the audio recorder I have made, and now I can get started with adding the echo effect. So to add echo guys, all you want to do is click the sliders button right here at the top of the screen. So as you can see, we have the sliders button, which is going to open up this new menu, and in this new menu, if you scroll down all the way down, you can find the master effects, and under master effects you have your echo option. So what you can do is slide your echo as much as you want to use it, play around with it, test it out to see how it sounds, and after you're satisfied, just exit out the sliders and it's going to automatically apply to your track. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.